are. Welcome to the Outdoors Missouri. Let's go. Howdy folks, this is Billy with the Outdoors Missouri, and today we got a little project, basically just a little cleaning on a Phoenix Arms 22 long rifle, model HP 22A. So I just pushed that forward. There's a spring that's going to come flying out. Maybe. Oh, it didn't come flying out. Pretty simple. We're gonna probably re-blue this. Show you how I clean this stuff up. Wanna guess what that is? That's a bottle of Ed's Red. Now, I just saw some stuff on Facebook. They're claiming it's the best gun solvent ever. They spray it on and the carbon deposits just wipe right off. I don't know if you can see that. It's like magic. Look at that. Carbon deposit is virtually gone. If you don't have one of these little 22s, you should definitely add it to your collection. They're so cheap. I couldn't even say no. It was just so cheap. Less than $100. The beauty of having Ed's Red, and if you're not familiar with it, there's a ton of videos on it. It's equal parts acetone, kerosene, mineral spirits, and transmission fluid. It's super cheap to make, and because of that, you can really spray it in there. It dissolves powder, foul. It really does well with like plastic and shotguns, stuff like that. So you can spray it real liberally. It doesn't seem to have any problems, and it leaves a little bit of a oily residue from the transmission fluid. Makes it lubricate pretty well. Yeah, it's not a secret formula or anything like that. Everybody knows it. And a lot of guys swear by it. It doesn't replace my bore solvent on everything, but on something like this it would. I won't use any bore solvent. Okay, so I want to just re-blue this hammer real quick. I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so I take a little cap full of acetone and a Q-tip, and I'm just going to clean this hammer. Okay. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm not going to get it real hot. I'm just going to warm it up. And the reason why I want to warm it up is two things. One, I want to get the acetone off of it dried. But bluing, even cold bluing, seems to work a little bit better with a little bit of heat. Q-tip. All right. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it is doing a good job. Pretty happy with that. And to stop it, we're just gonna spray with a little of that and hit it with the Q-tip again. Perfect. You know, I'm noticing some crud up in here. Let's get this off. A little bit dirty in there too. Feels nice and clean. Yep, feels good. Okay, now this feed ramp. See how it's polished, but it didn't get a very deep polish. We kind of just hit it to make sure it was doing good, so we're going to hit that a little bit more too. That's better. Okay, put her back together. Let's see here. Always like to finish up with a bore snake, even though we used the brush on it. I mean, it wasn't that dirty, but that's it. Thanks for watching.